Elon Musk claims that he currently lives in a modest house that is less expensive than one of his Tesla automobiles in Boca Chica, Texas. But what makes this Tesla teeny house so special? And what's inside? Is the excitement justified for this house? We will gladly answer all of your questions. With a market valuation of $1.3 trillion, Tesla is one of the most valuable corporations in the world. This has enabled them to invade markets that no one would expect a car business to enter. They have recently decided to take on the challenge of entering the real estate sector and astonish the entire world. In this video, we will take you inside Elon Musk's infamous $50,000 teeny house. To ensure that you never miss another video from us, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Let's get this started. Previously, Tesla concentrated its funding on solar panels and battery development research. However, it's safe to say that Tesla has not shied away from entering many markets in recent decades with different businesses, such as revealing their yacht, developing a humanoid robot, and even proposing the placement of a chip within the human brain using Neuralink. Tesla, on the other hand, has officially said that with this shift into the home industry, it will begin constructing its own modest residences, allowing Elon Musk's enthusiasm for sustainable development to flourish. On June 14th, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that he was selling his 1,800 square foot home in Los Angeles, revealing in a blog post that he rents a $50,000 property from SpaceX at Boca Chica. Elon Musk said earlier this year that he now rents a basic prefabricated apartment as his primary residence rather than a collection of homes. Given Tesla's dedication, Musk's desire to live in a teeny house is acceptable for long-term viability. What we didn't expect was for him to start building a slew of houses so that more people could live in them. People could emulate him and live a more sustainable lifestyle. While most of us would like to live in a little compact like Elon Musk, a billionaire, most people do not want a house. However, keep in mind that these residences are being built by Tesla, and everything Tesla creates is unique and is never less than pure genius. And these little houses are so different. Wait until you find out how ironic it is for a billionaire to build little houses. While waiting for the Model Y, Musk may relax in Tesla's new teeny residence. The Model Y will be manufactured since it's extremely eco-friendly. This home's small size may fool you, but it's more sophisticated than most mansions. The interior of the house has been furnished with light colors and wooden components, making the space feel welcoming. In the main living area, there is a comfortable couch, a coffee table, and a TV stand, as well as a teeny sink and a small kitchen. The house is powered by solar panels on the roof, which is not surprising given that we are all environmentally conscious. Tesla designs and produces its own solar panels and rooftops. Boxable, a building company, built the 400 square foot studio flat. It specializes in simple-to-assemble housing components. The cost of constructing a house out of boxes will start at $50,000. Again, the pricing does not include landscaping, permits, or utility hookup expenses. We'd like to thank you for watching this far into the video, so please like this video, subscribe, and enable the bell notification. Now, let's get back to the video. Due to their environmental friendliness, teeny houses have grown in popularity among environmentalists in recent years. In cutting energy consumption, Musk has already mentioned living in a teeny house as part of a bigger sustainability plan, so it's hardly surprising that he'd want one for himself. Musk has addressed global warming by establishing research organizations such as OpenAI and co-founding Tesla. Neuralink's sustainability living goals include Tesla and SpaceX. The home is also designed to be compatible with the Tesla app, allowing users to lock and unlock it using their phones. This totally sustainable structure was built with locally sourced, chemical-free materials and high-quality, responsibly sourced wood. The Tesla Teeny House is a self-contained holiday home created by Tesla's design team that packs within a standard 40-foot shipping container. Everyone can find affordable, environmentally responsible, and enjoyable holiday housing. The Powerwall stores solar energy and makes it ready for use throughout the day and at night when it's not connected to the grid. Set up in less than a day by 2 people, an after-hours team may also be enlisted to get your vacation wheels turning quickly. It may then be set up like a tent at any camping or caravan site, making vacations easier to access. It includes everything you need for a comfortable stay, including an induction cooktop, a comfortable couch bed, a kitchenette, a full bathroom with hot running water, and a strong shower. This unique teeny home is built because it's teeny, portable, and self-sufficient enough to be energy efficient due to its compact size, with solar panels on the roof providing a battery pack that stores electricity and extra energy. The Tesla Teeny House, a new addition to Tesla's fleet of innovations, is only 9 feet wide by 30 feet long. The house's exterior is built of carbon fiber and features an air filtering system. It also has an integrated router, allowing you to connect to the internet at high rates through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The new mobile device is part of Tesla's aim to expedite the world's transition to sustainable energy. The marketing center is a little house outfitted with solar panels and a battery storage system. According to a recent story, the mobile market center will help shoppers learn about products like solar panels and home batteries. Solar panels, Solar City solar tiles, and Tesla Powerwall 2 batteries will be required for the residents. This will supply backup power in the event of a power loss. The Powerwall system for the average home has 3 power packs, which is more than enough to power any house. Tesla claims that they want you to feel what it's like to be completely self-sufficient, and that is why Tesla's teeny house is being delivered to you. At exhibitions and festivals in Australia, the house will be on exhibit as an example of rooftop energy storage technology. It will eventually spread over Asia and North America. Tesla is also looking for tourist attractions where owners may charge their vehicles for free as part of its destination charging program. Musk also recently stated that Tesla's Powerwalls are designed for homes of various sizes. The incredible part is that they can tow a house with a Model X. Tesla scientists and researchers have produced a number of technologies that may assist us in reducing emissions and reducing our carbon footprint significantly as we transition to more sustainable and resilient forms of the planet's life. After months of speculation, the organization has finally presented its prototype for a home powered entirely by renewable energy. They spent nearly 5 years and $3 million on research and development. The house is designed to run entirely on renewable energy rather than fossil fuels. This could be one of the most significant advancements in humanity's fight against climate change. Recent years have seen a shift. Any effort must be made to complete this shift correctly the first time, and failure must not be tolerated. This home's design focuses on 2 key points: solar power generation and thermal mass heating and cooling. This can provide all the energy needed when combined year-round without relying on fossil fuels. It produces enough solar energy to operate all of its equipment and heat itself in the winter. It can heat itself in the winter and cool itself in the summer, making it totally self-sufficient. According to Boxable, the house is exceptionally energy efficient thanks to the installation technique, as well as LED lighting, both of which contribute to a pleasant and cost-effective structure. Most of North America's houses can withstand heavy snowfall, and the remaining 10% of them can be altered to deal with snow. They use less energy and take up less space than typical residences, and overall, they are more energy efficient. This little house is futuristic, utilitarian, and all-around brilliant. That's all we have for now. Thank you for stopping by to watch the video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel in the future for more interesting and up-to-date news videos. We'll see you in the next video.